The nominees for Best Performance by an Actor in a Leading Role are Daniel Day-Lewis in Lincoln, Denzel Washington in Flight, Hugh Jackman in Les Miserables, Bradley Cooper in Silver Linings Playbook, and Joaquin Phoenix in The Master. This is just a little fun fact for you. Denzel's character was actually as drunk as half of the people who are up at this hour.
Ah, yes. Guilty. For Best Performance by an Actress in a Leading Role, the nominees are Naomi Watts in The Impossible, Jessica Chastain in Zero Dark 30, Jennifer Lawrence in Silver Linings Playbook, Emmanuel Riva in Amour, Avenzane Wallace in The Beasts of the Southern Wild.
At 85, Emmanuel Riva is the oldest Best Actress nominee in Oscar history. Quiventzane Wallace is the youngest Best Actress nominee ever. She's 9. And finally, we are pleased to announce that the films selected as the Best Picture nominees for 2012 are Beasts of the Southern Wild, Dan Janvey, Josh Penn, and Michael Gottwald, producers.
Silver Linings Playbook, Donna Gelati, Bruce Cohen, and Jonathan Gordon, producers.
Zero Dark 30, Mark Bowl, Catherine Bigelow, and Megan Ellison, producers.
Lincoln, Steven Spielberg and Kathleen Kennedy, producers.
Les Miserables, Tim Bevan, Eric Fellner, Deborah Hayward, and Cameron McIntosh, producers.
Life of Pi, Gil Netter, Ang Lee, and David Womark, producers.
Amour, nominees to be determined.
Django Unchained, Stacey Scher, Reginald Hudlin, and Pilar Savone, producers.
And Argo, Grant Heslov, Ben Affleck, and George Clooney, producers.